Disclaimer. This video was filmed on April 2, 2019 during the Shazam premiere night here in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Additionally, this was during the time when the GG3, Good Gamers Guild, was still known as the GGB or Good Game Brotherhood.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's me Ahrcéus and welcome back to another video, and we shall be going to the Shazam premiere here at Bahrain. We were actually lucky to be invited to the premiere this 2nd of April 2019. So let's get on to it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Alright GGB, we're now inside the Atrium Mall. We're going upstairs. It's all good people. It's amazing. And I believe my sister right here, Liet, you must be really excited right now.
Hey, of course. Duh.
This is my mom right here, ladies and gentlemen, GGB.
I'm Shazam right now.
And take a look at that amazing outfit. We're going to watch Shazam right now in the premiere, and I'm wearing full blue-on blazer because I'm a DC fan. So let's go, people. See, this is what happens when you're inside the elevator, all by yourself.
All by yourself?
Yourselves, you know. Here we are, 3rd floor, Cinepolis.
My heart, my freaking heart.
Oh, I can see Shazam right there.
Where?
Alright, so people, here we are. Take a look at this. The trailer in the back is so amazing. That's good! Zachary Levi on top of an Ash from Angel. We have the red carpet behind us. That's it, people. We're going there in a few more minutes, so I guess we're early. Alright people, so here we are right now. Liet, Mandy is my mom, my father right there. And in a few more minutes we'll be watching. So you go ahead first. That's Zachary Levi right there for Shazam. In cinemas April 4, but you can watch it 2 days earlier. This is amazing, people. That's good.
Hey, Dad. Ahrcéus.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going? Yes.
What can you say about the Shazam premiere night?
Really excited for this movie. A lot of people have been trying to say this is actually one of the best DC films so far. And honestly speaking, I'm actually excited for it. To be honest, I'm a huge fan of Shazam, Aquaman, and the other DC films. I believe this will be a very great family-friendly movie for everyone. And as a YouTuber myself, really excited for this movie. Thank you very much.
Any messages for you to your subscribers?
Oh yes, please. To all the GGB out there, have a nice day. This is one of the amazing moments that GGB has up to date. So guys, if you have not watched this movie, I tell you, you gotta watch it. It's one of the best movies ever. You really have to. Shazam! Shazam!
Thank you, Ahrcéus.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Alright people, the movie is done. How would you rate the movie, Lee? 10 out of 10 for me. And I won't spoil anything at all. You guys have to watch this. It's April 4, it's April 5, depends on what country you guys in. Shazam is a much watch, people. It's really amazing. It's all good, people. You gotta watch it. That was good, bro. That was good. Anyway, so everyone, that's all for this video. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and share. And most of all, click that subscribe button if you're new to the GGB. And it's me, Ahrcéus. Good game to everyone.
Game changer, rearrange your strategies. The same old way we see him shame the strategy. Step up, boy, you're done, my son. Let it rip, come equipped, it's begun. 3, 2, 1. Is it about the destination or the journey you're finding? When you top that hill, there's still a mountain behind it. All the time the stage around you's changing. So isn't it your business not to just maintain, but change within it? No limits but the ones you place upon yourself. These trophies on your shelf made